my best as ever since I have taken over as Director General of this organization in December 2008. I am trying to bring maximum awareness to the people. So this is what today is. This is awareness campaign in a way. We are trying to tell people what intellectual property rights are. We are trying to tell people that if intellectual property rights are infringed, are copied, piracy takes place, or counterfeiting takes place, what negative effects that is going to have on the mind and on the pocket of the original owner, number one, at what negative effects it does have on the overall economy of the country. And further, number three, what effects it has on the reputation of a responsible country in the world community. You know, foreign investment will not come to Pakistan unless and until the atmosphere is conducive. It is conducive to piracy-free, counterfeiting-free. If there is, as the position is, that Pakistan right now is amongst the 10 most worst examples of piracy and counterfeiting-oriented countries. Number one is China, and probably number two comes Pakistan. In China, it is around 86% piracy rate. In Pakistan, it is 82%. And I know piracy is something which cannot be rooted out completely. Even in USA, it is 25%. That intellectual property rights, not only of Pakistanis, but also of the foreign countries which are registered abroad, and through the laws of which we are signatories, like TRIPS and Paris Convention, those are protected here in Pakistan. And we emerge as a responsible IP-related nation and a country in the world. Now that is the foremost thing for which IP Pakistan is striving very hardly. And in our effort, the first and foremost thing is that we should make the public aware. Now where from to start? Generally people, what to speak of illiterate people, even the educated people do not know what intellectual property right is. Just go and ask any educated person on the road or in your mahalla or in your office and ask him what intellectual property right is. He will say he does not know anything. You will have to explain it to him. So my dear fellows, first and foremost work on our part is to make aware you young people at least what intellectual property rights is. I had given this suggestion at the forum in Manila, Philippines recently. There I had given them the idea. I was the only person who gave them the idea. World Fora, International Conference on Intellectual Property Rights. It was Khalid Mahmood Bukhari, it was Pakistan who put forward this suggestion that, all right, as far as the present generation is concerned, you may try to make them aware through radio talks, through TV talks, through newspaper, through contacting and holding such meetings as we are holding here. But the main thing, the major thing that I asked them was that kindly make it a law, introduce it as a subject in the curricula and syllabus of all colleges and universities in the whole world, a compulsory subject, IPO subject, IPO as a subject. Let the coming generation know what intellectual property rights are, so that once they learn it at the university and college level, once they come out of it, once they take over the reins of their own country, once they become officers and traders, scientists, or whatever they are in the government, they know what intellectual property laws are. We don't have to tell them. That will be the time when we will be successful. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's repeatedly being asked that the time is over. So, ये एक आखिरी सवाल, ये लेडी पहले इधर बोल ले. 5 minutes, sir. As far as the first question, Mr. Budir, would you like to answer this question? Have you heard anything about it? We do plan. You have given me an idea, but this was in my mind, that IPO Pakistan should hold such type of competitions in which innovators, if they really impress with innovation, and if it proves to be truly innovative, and that contributes to the good name of the country, as well as that is useful for humanity, then not only that we will register it at Pakistan Forum, but also at the international forum, but we will give them award as well, financial award, as well as encouragement, as well as this is my promise that I will do my best, even if I have to go to the level of Prime Minister or President, that such innovator should be given, must be given not only legal protection but also financial reward suitable to his innovation.
Mansoor Ahmed Khan.
Intellectual property organizations 2 years back supported three instruments to go to Korea with financial when Mr. Tahir was the Director General and Mr. Hafiz was leading this. And our 4 students among the Catholic International won 2 awards, medals. So it's a good organization. Let's support the IPO for further enhancing this situation. Thank you.
I will follow the footsteps of my predecessor. So don't worry about that. On that count, I am with you. This is the last question, sir.
Thank you, sir. This is Mansoor Ahmed Khan. मैंने आपकी presentation में एक चीज नोट की है कि ये आपका IPO it does not cover the animals and plants जो हमारे पाकिस्तान में research and development हो रही है. बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट इन चीजों पे काम कर रहे हैं और बहुत सी नई फसलें ला रहे हैं, नए प्लांट्स ला रहे हैं, नए एनिमल्स ला रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको कोई इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट आप नहीं दे रहे और वो साल हर साल इस पे लगाते हैं, 10-10 साल, 15-15 साल.
I am sorry to interrupt, but this would be the last question.
This will be the last question. Last answer, please listen. Plant breeders के नाम से एक लॉ बनाया गया है जिसकी पूरी जो है ना उसकी लैंग्वेज लीगल वो तैयार हो चुकी है. इट हैज बीन सेंट बाय IPO पाकिस्तान टू लॉ एंड जस्टिस डिपार्टमेंट. वो वहां पर अप्रूवल के बाद इट विल बी पुट बिफोर द कैबिनेट एंड इट विल बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एज ए बिल इन नेशनल असेंबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान. वंस इट इज अप्रूव्ड इट विल बिकम लॉ एंड प्लांट्स लाइक बासमती राइस इन गुजरांवाला and Kidnu of Sargodha, as well as Chausa of Multan, mango, and other such things, fruits, those are really of high quality and belong to a particular place and a particular geographical portion of the country, those will be registered as intellectual property rights under plant breeders law. That is being done. As far as animals are concerned, for that it is an information to me. It is yet not has been considered, but I promise that I'll look into it. Thank you very much.